So, you've got a new iPhone and you're on the hunt for some unique accessories. Let's dive into 4 standout options that bring style and functionality. Number 4, for the retro lovers. This case transforms your iPhone into a classic Macintosh lookalike. From the iconic colors to the vintage hello, it's a creative nod to Apple's roots. Number 3, for the photographers and filmmakers among us. This accessory is a blast from the past and a practical tool all in one. It's a case that brings your iPhone closer to a vintage rangefinder camera, complete with a physical camera button. Perfect for those who live for capturing that perfect shot. This case combines style with function. Number 2. Here's where things get serious for content creators. This case transforms your iPhone into a professional-grade movie rig. It's designed for all the add-ons you could want, ND filters to control your light, a comfortable hand grip for stable shots. Number 1. Minimalism at its finest. This case doesn't try to be flashy or bold. Instead, it's all about simplicity and functionality, staying true to Apple's less is more philosophy. Its design is sleek, seamless, and practical, keeping your iPhone protected without taking away from its natural beauty. For those who value understated elegance,